Baheti and Somani LLP is a team of chartered accountants and professionals. They look after taxation, auditing, and various other compliances relating to financial laws. Over a period of 20 years, our team has carried out multiple assignments across clients with various profiles, right from manufacturing, services, and trading, including HNIs, retail individuals, SMEs, big corporates, and MNCs. We were introduced to NJ CRM by one of our team members and colleagues, Mr. Suhas Marathe from Reliable Enterprises. And we chose Sangam CRM because of the assurance that they gave us for carrying out some customizations and the other support that they would offer to us. And now that 7 or 8 months have passed since we are using the software, I am happy with it to use it. We are currently using NJ CRM for more than 6 different categories. Those include income tax, GST, profession tax, company secretary related laws, and other miscellaneous project related activities. Each of these categories involves many tasks which are either related to periodical compliances or on achievement of certain events. The challenges we were facing before using NJ CRM was that quantification of tasks that our team members would carry out, because ultimately we have to quantify these tasks to complete billing. And the second challenge was to keep a track on the status of each task. The field of auditing and taxation and legal compliances involves many steps in each task. Each step has certain implications. Each step requires certain communication with the client and with the government. And there were some issues where we needed help before using NJ CRM. Over the last 7 months that we have been using NJ CRM, we have benefited in the area of quantifying the works done by our team members. This has helped us bill our clients better. The second main benefit of NJ software is that it has helped us in communicating with our clients and with each other in our team. We are able to know the exact status of the work, and that helps us keep good relations amongst team members and complete the task on time. Thank you very much.